In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link in Balsamiq. This task is a simple yet essential skill for anyone working with Balsamiq, be it for collaboration on team projects or receiving feedback from clients or colleagues. Sharing your work effectively ensures that your design ideas are communicated clearly and efficiently, and Balsamiq makes this process straightforward. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Begin by typing Balsamiq into the search bar and pressing Enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the first result or one that has the URL balsamiq.com. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Balsamiq homepage. Once you've navigated to the Balsamiq website, you'll need to log in. On the website's main page, locate the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. Enter your username and password. These should be the same credentials you used when signing up for Balsamiq. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your project workspace. Before sharing, make sure you've completed any necessary customizations on your canvas. This might include arranging elements just how you want them, or finalizing any edits or creative tweaks. With your project now ready for sharing, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you will find the Project tab. Clicking on Project will unveil a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Share Project or Project Members. This selection is essential as it leads you to the sharing settings. In the sharing settings, you will see an option labeled Public Reviews. This is the feature that allows others outside of your immediate team to view your project. To enable this, simply click the checkbox or toggle switch next to Public Reviews. By enabling public reviews, you are allowing your project link to be accessed by anyone you choose to share it with, making it easier to gather feedback or collaboration from external sources. Once public reviews are enabled, you'll be provided with a project link. This link is what you'll be sharing with others to grant them access to your project. Simply copy this link to your clipboard. You can now paste and share this link via email, messaging apps, or any platform of your choice to invite others to view your work. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Balsamiq project with just a few easy steps. This simple process ensures your work can be seamlessly reviewed by others, opening up avenues for collaborative creativity and feedback. Whether you're sending it to a client or a fellow team member, sharing your Balsamiq project is just a link away. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.